What it do, Steph Mob? Back with another video. Right now, I'm told you I was swapping my radio out. So my radio done came, as you can see. Jensen boy. I have to install this. So when I'm about to do a quick install, I'm about to rip the other radio out, put this one in. I was like, dang, since I got everything buzzed down, and I know these are not like high quality radios, like how your Kenwoods and your Pioneers and Alpines and all of that. They got all the extra settings on it. So I was like, man, I want to make sure that when I'm out here banging and got my sounds going, I want a little bit more crispy clarity than what I got. And then when I turn it all the way up, I want it to basically, you know what I mean? Not no distortion, no nothing. I get everything. I'm talking about crisp, loud. I want it all. So I done bust it down. When I say I done bust this boy down, I had to put the EQ in there too. So I done bust this boy down. Got it. Got it. Got the good old power acoustic boy. Yeah. I think this is 7-band. No, 4-band. 4-band, yep. So, yeah. So, once I get all of this tidied up and everything like that, guys, we going to be doing sound tests. Let y'all know exactly what it sounds like. So, it just looked like, yeah, I got my own little Mickey Shores or whatever car situation you guys got in y'all state, city, whatever. So as far as that right now, pretty much about to, I think I got everything all tidied up. Got to run a couple more wires so that EQ hook up. And then after that, What to do, Steph Mob? So, finished it up, got everything all tidy and everything. So, about to let y'all see what everything looking like. See what everything looking like in here. It's all real clean and everything. Yeah, 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 yeah. The boy did that thing, didn't he? Did that, yep. EQ in there. Turn that boy on. Oh yeah, we got action. Oh yeah, we got action.